Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will learn determinants MCQ theory questions dear students. So let us see the first question what they are asked. If determinant x to 18x is equal to determinant 6 to 18 6, then x is equal to what? 6 plus or minus 6 minus 6 and d is given as 0 dear students. So let us see how to solve this problem dear students. So now see here. How to multiply? You see here, determinant of x to 18x. You multiply like this. X into x, x square dear students. Before multiplying 18 into 2, you should write minus sign. 18 into 2 ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ minus sign ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So 18 into 2 is, that is 36 dear students. So similarly you multiply 6 into 6, 36, again write minus sign. So 18 2s are 36 dear students. So now x square minus 36 plus 36 or minus 36 get cancelled, it will remain with 0. X square is equal to 36 minus 36, if you take on RHS it will become 36 dear students. Square, if you set this side, plus or minus square root 36 you will get. So square root of 36 is what dear students? That is 6. This is our required answer my dear students. That will match with B option dear students. I hope it is clear. So please copy this. We will see the next question dear students. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question dear students. Question number 2. Let capital A be a square matrix of order 3 into 3. Then determinant of k into A is equal to k into determinant A, k square into determinant A, k cube into determinant A, 3k into determinant A, d is given dear students. A, B, C, D are they are given. So let us see which option will matches dear students. Yav match agutte nodona. So what is the order here they had given? You see here dear students. Let A be a square matrix of order how much? 3 into 3. That means order is, small n is called as order. Order is how much? 3 dear students. 3 into 3 means what? Order is 3 we will consider. If it is 2 into 2 means order is 2. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3 into 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 into 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now see here. So what is determinant of k into A? So we have a formula dear students. Everyone know this one. Determinant of k into A is what? K raised to n into determinant A dear students. You must know this formula everyone dear students. I hope you know everyone. So now let us see what will be the answer. So I have to get what? Determinant of k into A. K raised to n. N value is how much dear students? That is 3 into determinant A, and our answer will match with C dear students. So I hope you understood. So let us copy this one. We will go for the next question dear students. So please copy this. So I hope all of you have copied. Let us see the third question dear students. So now see the third question. Which of the following is correct? Determinant is a square matrix, option A. Option B is what? Determinant is associated to a matrix. And C option you see, determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. None of this. Everyone know the definition very clearly. So here you can say dear students, answer is what? Determinant is a number associated to what? Square matrix dear students. So determinant ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. So that's why this is a C option dear students. I hope you understood. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. This is just a definition of determinant. Fine. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 4. If area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and k, 4, then k is what? So area of triangle everyone know dear students. Area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is given here. You see here. If area of triangle is how much? 35 square units it is given. So everyone know the formula very well. area of triangle is what? I have done in 2 marks. Dear students, in determinants 2 marks I have done this question. Similar type, it is same only. And how to solve, you see, you go through that also. Those who are seen, you will be knowing. Those who are not seen, you see here. Area of triangle is what? Half into mod determinant of x1, y1, 1, 1, 1, x2, y2, x3, y3, dear students. Those who don't know, for them I am writing everything. So cross multiply to this side. So mod you write as it is mod x1, y1 is what? x1 is, that is 2, y1 is what? minus 6, dear students. x2 is what? 5, y2 is 4, x3 is what? 4, y3 is 4, dear students again. And this is 1, 1, 1 as it is. Equal to what? So 2 into 35, cross multiply. 2 into 35 is what? 70, dear students. 2 into 35 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 70 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Mod if you remove, modulus ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, so that side it will become what here? Plus or minus 70, dear students. If you remove the mod, you will get it as what? Mod ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ plus or minus 70 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you remove the mod, it will get that side plus or minus 70, dear students. You write this as is 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k 4, and this will be 1, 1, 1. Now expanding R1, everyone know this one, expand R1. So expand R1, how we will write? You know this one very well. Plus, minus, plus, dear students. So plus into 2, plus 2, row 1 we are expanding this one. So where 2 is there? First row you leave, first column. 4 into 1, 4, minus you write before multiplying this. 4 into 1 is 4, dear students. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ವಿತ್ 4 1 4 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 4 1 ಮತ್ತು 4 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 1 is 4. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ 4 into 1 is 4, you will get here. So now see, minus into minus, that is plus 6. So now see, you leave first row, second column now. 5, you are left with 5, 1, k 1. You multiply this. 5 into 1, 5 minus k into 1, k, dear students. Before multiplying, you have to write minus sign. So I am saying, please try to understand, my dear students. So now see here, next plus into 1, plus 1 I can write. Now see here, how to multiply this one. 5 into 4, 20 minus k into 4 is 4k. Is equal to plus or minus 70, dear students. I hope everyone are understood this one. So now see here, 2 into 4 minus 4 is 0, dear students. 6 into 5, 30. 6 into minus k is minus 6k. And now see, 1 into anything is same only. 20 minus 4k I will write as it is. Plus or minus 70. Understood everyone? 2 into 0 is 0. Will not write that one. 2 into 0 is what? 0 only, no need of writing. So now see, 30 plus 20 is how much? 50 minus 6k minus 4k is minus 10k is equal to plus or minus 70. Clear? So this 50 minus 10k is equal to 70 also. If 50 minus 10k plus 70 को equal इधर, minus 70 को equal इधर, वो plus 70 को भी equal है, minus 70 को भी equal है. So we can separate them. 50 minus 10k is equal to 70. Another is what? 50 minus 10k is equal to minus 70, dear students. So now see here, what will happen? 50 minus, see here, plus 70 you take this side, it will become minus 70. Minus 10k you take that side, that will become plus 10k. So 50 minus 70 is what? Minus 20 is equal to 10k. 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja 20, dear students. That will become minus 2. K value is becoming minus 2 now. So another value you see here. 50 is as is. Minus 70 if you take on LHS. ಎಡಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus 70 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus 10k you take on RHS. It will become plus 10k. 50 plus 70 is 120. 120 is equal to 10k. 10 1 ja, 10 12 ja, dear students. 10 1 10 12 120 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So this is our required answer, 12 comma minus 2. So that is there in our option D, dear students. This is the required answer. I hope you understood. So if you are understanding something from this video, please only one request from my side is, please like my channel, don't forget, because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So I am not asking anything from you, just like the channel if you are understanding, otherwise not required also. Fine. So please copy this, we'll see the next question. I hope everyone are copied. So now let us see the next question, dear students. If delta is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 and a capital Aij is cofactor of small aij, then value of delta is given by. So in this four options, which is correct one? Very easy, dear students. What the element will be there? No, cofactor is same means it will, delta is nothing but determinant, dear students. This is nothing but what? Delta is nothing but determinant. Delta andre ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, determinant A. Determinant A ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so same row, same cofactor, same row, I mean same row element and same cofactor if it is there, then it will give what? Determinant, dear students. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ರೋದ ಅದರದೇ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ A11 ಇದರದೇ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A12 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ A12ನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಈ ತರ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. A11 ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A13 only, then this is nothing but delta, dear students. Determinant ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ एलिमेंट सेम कोफैक्टर रहा तो सेम ही आता है, I mean delta आता है. If it is different means it will not give, dear students, answer. That will become 0 if it is like this. So I am just giving example for you. This will give as a 0, dear students. So if it is different, got it? So same elements, you can see A11, A21, A31, A31. So that's why our D is the correct. This will be a wrong. You see, 21 is there, A11 is there. Not same. 21 is different, 11 is different. Got it? Same होना चाहिए. So same है इधरे मात्र निಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ determinant. Understood? So this delta is nothing but determinant A, I am saying, dear students. I hope it is clear. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 6. If ABC are in AP means arithmetic progression, then the determinant x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 2b, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2c is what? In this four options you have to say. A is given as 0, B is 1, C is x, D is 2x. Now you see, dear students, ABC are in what? AP means what? Common difference should be same. So now see here, ABC are in AP. Are in what? AP means their common difference should be same. Common difference hey mado sir. So in 10th standard you have learned. So this is B minus A must be equal to C minus B. Will you agree? B minus A, how much it will give? No, C minus B is also same only. Is it clear? Because of ABC are in AP, dear students. I hope everyone you understood. So iದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, B minus A ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, C minus B ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So A2 minus A1 A3 minus A2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀವಿ 10th standard ನಲ್ಲಿ. So now see, you write the determinant now. Determinant is what? X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2a, x plus 2b, x plus 2c. So now see, this one I have to solve. So B minus A I have to get means B minus A, see here, 2b minus 2a I can get. So that is R2 minus R1 I have to do. C minus B means R3 minus R2. Understood? So now see here, we can apply R2 minus R1. Row 2 I will change, and R3 row 3 I will change. R3 minus R2, dear students. So now see how much you will get here. So R1 is not changing. This meaning says what? Iden helutte R2 change aagta ide. Iden helutte R3 is changing. So but R1 is not changing. Then you write as is. R1 is what? X plus 2, X plus 3, X plus 2a. Clear? Everyone is understood now. So now see here how we will make R2 minus R1. R2 is what? X plus 3. R2 is what? X plus 3 minus R1 is what? R1 is X plus 2. See here. So X plus 3 minus into X minus X minus into plus minus 2 plus X minus X get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is what? 1 we can write. So similarly you can see R2 minus R1 you do. X plus 4 minus X plus 3 is 1, dear students. So X plus 2b minus X plus 2a. R2 is what? X plus 2b minus X plus 2b. You see here, X plus 2b minus X plus 2a. R2 minus R1. R2 andre X plus 2b, R1 andre X plus 2a. Now you simplify this. X plus 2b minus into X is minus X, minus into plus is minus 2a. Correct? Plus X minus X get cancelled. What is common in this, dear students? 2 is common. 2 into b minus a. Will you agree? 2 into b is 2b. 2 into minus a is minus 2a. Yes or no? Clear? So then I can write it as what? 2 of b minus a. Will you agree? So now I will erase this one for your understanding purpose. I have done the simplification. Similarly, now come for this one now. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2 is what? R3 is X plus 4, X plus 3. Minus if you do 1. X plus 5 minus X plus 4. That is 1, dear students. Similarly, this is what? X plus 2C. R3 minus R2 is what? X plus 2b. So how much you will get? You see, X plus 2c minus into X is minus X, minus into plus is minus 2b, plus X minus X get cancelled. What is common? 2 is common. C minus b will get. Will you agree? So 2 into what? C minus b, dear students. Understood everyone? Now can you see R2 and R3? So this value is directly I will write it as 0. Why I have written 0? You know why I wrote? So you can see R2 1 1 2 into b minus a, 1 1 2 into c minus b. C minus b both are same, dear students. If two rows are identical ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ರೋಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ರೋಸ್ or any two column in determinant are same, then determinant value is equal to 0, dear students. So which are here same? Sir, 2 into b minus a, 2 into c minus b are different. Who told these are different, dear students? Both are same. Why? Because you know b minus a is equal to what you told? C minus b. That means b minus a must be equal to c minus b. Yes or no? Then 2 into same only both are. I can write it as b minus a or not, c minus b. Or b minus a I can write it as c minus b. Then it will become same, no? So if they are becoming same means determinant value is 0. Since R2 is identical to R3, dear students. So this is the reason why we will get 0. Our option will match with A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer, dear student. Please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 7. If x, y, z are non-zero real numbers, then the inverse of matrix A is equal to x 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z is. I have to find here, dear students, inverse of A. A inverse I will find. Everyone know this one. A inverse I will find. So 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A will do, dear students. This is everyone knows that. So first we will find the determinant A of this. We have to find the determinant here. So because I have to find the inverse of this in this which is correct, we have to say inverse of A. So determinant how we will find? This is a diagonal matrix, dear students. Diagonal matrix how we will say? So diagonal elements, except diagonal elements, all the elements are 0 and diagonal elements are also different. Can you see here x, y, z are different. If it is same means scalar, you know that. So it is a different. So then when it is a diagonal matrix determinant can be find easily, product of diagonals. ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈಗನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಗನಲ್ಸ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಡೈಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್. ಇದರದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಝೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಚಮಕಾಗೇನಿ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ adjoint of A. To find what? To find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, what you will do? You will find A11, first row, first column you will leave. Yes or no? First row, first column you will leave. You are left with what? Y0, 0z. How much you will get? Y into z, yz, minus 0 into 0 is 0, yz you got. So now see here, I have to find A inverse. 1 by determinant A. Determinant A is how much? X, Y, Z. And you know that adjoint of A, how you will write? A11 you will write this one here, YZ. So YZ you multiply, dear students. YZ you have done 1 by XYZ, multiply inside. So what you will get? YZ upon 1 into YZ is YZ, XYZ. How much you will get? YZ get cancelled. So other things we will write it. First you try to understand here. So what will happen? I am saying you. So now see here. YZ has cancelled. So if you are remaining with what here? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ಈಗ? YZ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? 1 by x ಉಳಿತು. 1 by x means I can write it as what? X raised to minus 1. So x raised to minus 1 is there in which option you see? XYZ is there outside. Outside XYZ is not there. This is the wrong option. Sorry, B is the wrong option. So now here also 1 by XYZ, x is there. So that is 1 by YZ you will get if you multiply inside. Wrong. 1 by XYZ into 1 is 1 by XYZ. That is also wrong. X raised to minus 1 is there only in option A, dear students. This is the correct one. Which option? This is A is correct, dear students. Understood everyone? So I hope you understood. Clear? So no need of solving all those things. A12, A13. Directly you are getting no. Just you compare with option. That is option A, dear students. Understood or not? This is you are learning in Mcq'S Lageraho style, dear students. So now let us see the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 8. Let capital A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3. Order is how much? 3. Order I will represent small n, dear students. N is equal to 3. Ardaita? Then determinant of DET means determinant. Determinant of adjoint of A, dear students. What is determinant of adjoint of A? They are asking like this. Determinant of adjoint of A is what? Their question is like this. DET means determinant. Outside you can see determinant. DET ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Determinant ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So determinant of adjoint of A, anyone knows the formula? If you don't know, no problem, I will say here. If you remember, that's a great. Determinant A raised to n minus 1. Determinant of adjoint of A, the formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Determinant A raised to n minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So determinant of adjoint of A formula is there. Determinant A raised to n is what order? 3. 3 minus 1 is how much? That is 2, dear students. Determinant A square is our answer. Determinant A square is what? That is B, dear students. Option. Determinant outside is there. Determinant A square. Determinant A square, dear students. This is our required answer. Sir, here it is written DET. DET is nothing but that parallel lines I had drawn. No, that is only determinant. So this is our required answer. Please copy this. So let us see the next question, dear students. So now let us see ninth question. Let a is equal to 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1, where theta is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2 pi. Then determinant a is equal to 0, determinant a belongs to 2 to infinite open interval, determinant a belongs to open interval 2 comma 4, determinant of a is equal belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. So this is our question, dear students. This is a really wonderful question. Now how to find the determinant first? So it is already they are saying it is lying on 0 to 2 pi also. So now see, first we will find a determinant, because everywhere it is determinant a, determinant a. So let us find this 1 sin theta 1, so minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1. So now expand this, expand r1, dear students, r1 expand. So what we will get, plus 1, expansion everyone knows this, plus 1, you know this one, plus minus plus. So this is the expansion of row 1, plus, so into 1 is plus 1, 1 is remaining in first row, first column you do 1 into 1, 1 minus, you have to write minus sin theta into sin theta is minus sin square theta, minus into minus plus sin square theta, minus sin square is there, no, minus into minus plus sin square, minus into sin theta minus sin theta. Now see, first row second column you do minus into plus is minus, sin theta into 1 is sin theta, dear students. So now minus into minus, you have to write minus sign first. Minus 1 into sin theta is minus sin theta, minus into minus plus sin theta, dear students. Next plus 1, plus into 1 is plus 1. First row you do last column, minus into minus plus, sin into sin, sin square theta minus, you write minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus is plus 1, dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. So 1 into sin square, 1 into 1 plus sin square is 1 plus sin square theta. I hope this will become 0. Plus sin theta minus sin theta will become cancelled. Here 0, 0 into anything is 0, gone. So 1 into anything is what here again? Same only, sin square theta plus 1. 1 plus 1 is, that is 2. Determinant a I will write 2. Determinant a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Sin square plus sin square is 2 sin square theta, dear students. Yes sir, will you agree everyone? So what is common here, dear students? Otherwise you can write this much also, no problem. We will get the answer here also. Now sin theta, can you remember the range of sin theta? You will say minus 90 to plus 90. That is wrong, dear students. I am not asking you sin inverse x range. Sin inverse x range is minus 90 to plus 90. I am asking you only sin, not sin inverse. So now sin theta range is, I will write here. Can you see here? Minus 1 to plus 1, dear students. Sin theta. As you know, dear students, sin theta is lies between minus 1 to 1. This is our range. Idanna daati hogudilla pe. So sin theta value is lying between minus 1 ರಿಂದ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, 1 ಅನ್ನು ದಾಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, minus 1 ಗಿಂತ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So now see here, square if you send, what will happen? Square means what? Negative will not come. You know that. That means sin square is always lies between 0 to 1, dear students. Sin square theta ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಬಹುದು? 1 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? माइनस अंकर बरुदिल्ला. So minus तो नहीं आएगा. It must be a 0 or it should be a 1. So in between this minus 1 will go. Why it has gone? Because sin square is there. Yes sir. So now see, sin lies between what? 0 to 1. It is clear now, everyone. So what is the difference between this and this? Determinant I have to find out where it is belongs to, whether it is equal to 0 or this. 4 are there. So now what is less? 2 is not there. Multiply by 2. 2 into 0, 0 2 into sin square, 2 sin square theta, 2 1 ja 2 dear students. Correct? So still it is not equal to determinant A. Yes or no? So what is the less now? 2 is not there. Plus 2. Plus add plus 2 both sides. I mean all the sides. 0 plus 2. 2 plus 2 sin square theta 2 plus 2. Will you understood? I am adding. You ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ 2 ಲೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಈ ಸಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೇ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. So now see here. I will write below only. You have to understand this. 0 plus 2 I am adding. 2 plus 2 sin square theta 2 plus 2. ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? So now all will see now. See 0 plus 2. This is plus. 0 plus 2 is 2. This is nothing but what? Determinant A. Will you agree? This is nothing but determinant A or not? Determinant A 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. Determinant belongs to what? Plus 2 to plus 4. Determinant A belongs to what? Plus 2 to plus 4. Correct? And now closed or open? It is closed dear students. Close ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ equal sign ಇದೆ. Equal ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ open ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. क्लोज्ड ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ इक्वल साइन रहा तो क्लोज्ड, इक्वल नहीं है तो ओपन आता है. So then this is closed. So determinant A belongs to what? 2 to 4 dear students. Option D is correct. I hope you have understood. If you are understanding, it's again my humble request for you. Please like my channel and support me and help me dear students. It's my request I am asking. If you are understanding, otherwise not required again. Fine, we'll see the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied and even liked my channel. Yes, no? Okay, thank you dear students. Now see here, let us see the question number 10. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to. So what? A is a invertible. Invertible definition you know. Invertible definition. A is a invertible matrix means A into A inverse is what? Equal to I dear students. A is a invertible matrix means A into A inverse is equal to I. Apply determinant both sides. Determinant applying both sides. Yes sir. Order 2. Determinant I is always equal to 1 dear students. डिटरमेंट ऑर्डर कितना भी रहने दो, ऑर्डर ಎಷ್ಟರೇ ಇರಲಿ, 2 ಇರಲಿ 3 ಇರಲಿ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. 1 0 0 1 ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A into A inverse is what? Can you remember this theorem? Determinant A into B is what? Determinant A into determinant B. What this formula says? Determinant of A into B is determinant A into determinant B dear students. What is determinant A? A is A only. And what is B? B is A inverse. Determinant A into determinant B. Determinant B means determinant A inverse. B ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ A inverse ಇದೆ, determinant A inverse ಬರ್ತದೆ. So determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A. Determinant A ಅನ್ನು ತೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. So this is our required answer dear students. Can you see? Determinant of A inverse. DET means what? Determinant, no? Determinant of A inverse is what? 1 by determinant A. So 1 by determinant A means that is B option is correct dear students. I hope you understood. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 11. If determinant of 3x x1 3 4 2 1, then x is equal to what? So now see here. How to find? You see here 3 into 1 you cross multiply like this. 3 into 1 is 3, minus you have to write before multiplying x into x you have to write minus sign. 3 into 1 ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ x into x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ minus x square you got. See here next again same 3 1 ja 3 minus sign ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So 2 4 ja 8 dear students. So now see plus 3 get cancelled, minus x square minus 8. See here ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. plus 3 has cancelled, minus x square minus 8 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. So minus minus also get cancelled. Square you send that side. Plus or minus square root 8 will get. So square root 8 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 2. 4 ಎರಡಲೆ 8. So now see here 4 2s are 8. Root 4 is how much? Root belongs to 4 also, 2 also. Root 4 ಇದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. Root 4 is how much? 2. Root 2 only, dear students. So this is our required answer. Our option is D, dear students. I hope you understood. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. Next question we'll see, dear students. Question number 12. If determinant 2x 4 6x 2 4 5 1, then x is equal to same only 2x into x is 2x square, dear students. 2x into x is x square minus you write 6 4s are 24, dear students. So 2 into 1 2 minus 5 2s are 20. So now see here 2x square minus 24. 2 minus 20 is minus 18, dear students. So now see here 2x square minus 24, you take this side on RHS, it will become plus 24 minus 18 as it is. 24 minus 18 is how much? That is 6. 2 1 ja 2 3s are, dear students. So x square is equal to 3. Square you send this side plus or minus square root 3. So this is our required answer, my dear students, and option is matching with B. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 13. If determinant x 3 2x 5 2 3 4 5, then x is equal to what? So now see again it is same only. X into 5 is 5x minus 2x into 3. 2x into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6x is equal to 2 5s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12, dear students. So 5x minus 6x 5x ಒಳಗ minus rx ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus x will remain. 10 minus 12x minus 12 is minus 2. So then how much? Minus minus get cancelled. So it will remain with x is equal to 2, dear students. So our option is A. So A for awesome. Awesome is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 14. If capital A is equal to 1 2 4 2 matrix A, this is capital A means, then determinant of 2A is equal to what? There are two ways to solve, dear students, this one. So now first we will find what? 2A. 2 into A. 2 into A. A is what? 1 2 4 2. So cross, I mean multiply inside. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, dear students. See, I have to find what here? Determinant of 2A. So determinant you find. 2A is how much? 2 4 8 4. 2 4 8 4. So now 2 4s are 8 minus you write. So after multiplying 8 4s are 32. So how much you will get? Minus 24 is our answer, dear students. Minus 24. This is also there. One method. And another method is what? Wait. They had asked different question, dear students. I thought they are asking differently. Sorry, I was not saw properly options. So let it be. It's okay, no problem. So determinant of 2A. So I have to find determinant of 2A. Can you remember, dear students, this one? Determinant of K into A. Just now we have discussed in this class. Yes or no? Determinant of K into A is what? K raised to n into determinant A. Yes sir? So now this is the formula for our question. Determinant of 2A I have to find. What is the K is what? Compare this. K is what? Constant 2. So 2 raised to n. N is how much? Order is how much this is? 2 cross 2 means what? Order is 2. That is 2 into determinant A. So 2 square is what? 4. 4 into determinant A. So that is what? 4 into determinant A. Option C is correct. C for cake. Cake is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 15. If capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then determinant of 2A is what? So now just now I told that method, I will say now again. 2 into A. Here options I saw properly now. No going mistakes. So now 2 into matrix A. A is what? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So now 2 into 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So I have to find what? Determinant of 2A. So determinant 2A is how much? 2 4 6 8. Determinant you have to take for this. 2 4 6 8. 2 8s are 16 minus 6 4s are 24, dear students. How much you got? Minus 8. D is our answer, dear students. This is one method. One more method just now I told you by using or. You are having two options here. Mass Lageraho में सब कुछ आता है. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. So determinant of 2 into A. Just now we have discussed determinant of K into A is what? K raised to A n into determinant A. So here K is what? K is 2. 2 raised to n. Order is how much? 2 into determinant A. I will write 2 raised to 2 into determinant A. What is 2 square is what? 4. Determinant A is how much? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can find determinant A. 1 into 4 is 4. 3 2s are 6. How much you will get? 4 into minus 2. Again you will get minus 8. Understood or not? This is also giving same answer. That is also giving same answer. Which is convenient for you? You can choose. Fine. So I hope you have understood today's session. So we will continue in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Don't forget to like my channel, and those who are new, please subscribe my channel. So please help and support me. Fine. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. Fine. Thank you. Please copy this.